How to fix matchmaking failed error in CSGO. First, right-click CSGO and select Properties. Go to the Local Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the game to be fixed. Close the windows. Now click on Steam. Press Exit. Now open your Start menu and type Task Manager. Open your Task Manager. Click on More Details. Locate the Steam Client Bootstrapper service. Right-click it and select End Task. If you can't find the service, continue with the rest of the video. Close your Task Manager. Now reopen Steam. Go to your library and launch your game. Press Yes. Now your problem should be fixed.